Today we're going to be setting up for the 2024 April Fool's video, which was hanging a Lasko 3733 as the ceiling fan in the living room. So this is going to go through how we're going to do this. So this is the 3733 that we're going to use. This one is from 2009 or 2010. Still got the older Lasko logo. And what we need to do here is we need to figure out how to attach this to a down rod. So I have this rod here, which we can use. This is it's like an 18-inch rod. And I think we can attach this ball and just use the existing mount that's in there right now. And I think the easiest way to do this is just going to be to tie some pieces of wire to the four corners and bring it up to the top of the fan. So where the top of over here where the rod will be. So let's give this a shot and see what we can do. I'm gonna strip this wire and we'll just use the white piece so it looks cosmetically correct. We might actually be able to do something like this too. We could just do a double, kind of hook it like that maybe. I think that's probably strong enough like that. This is wire that I removed from the downstairs here, and I'm just not going to reuse it. I don't trust anything that was down here. So if it seems like a waste, it's really not. It was just going to go to scrap anyways. Okay. Actually, that'll grab the side of the frame. That works too. I don't think that the 2 is going to hold it level. Probably going to need 4. It actually is level. Maybe then, maybe we'll just go around the stand then. Yeah, that works. Okay, well that was a lot easier than I was expecting. Now let's see if we can attach this ball to the rod and we'll be all set here. I don't know what that screw goes to. Is it small enough to fit in there? Not really. I don't know. Alright, there we go. Perfect. Okay. Well, now all that's left to do is install it in the living room.